Hi, I'm Varuni Batugahage, Senior Lecturer in Law at Horizon Campus. Today I am publishing the second video of my new series. Today's lesson is from Thanushka. I hope that you all will enjoy her video.
Hi everyone, I'm Thanushka and in this video I'm going to cover one of the most important lessons of jurisprudence and legal theory. Before we get into the video, let me do a small introduction about myself. I'm a University of London law student who sat for the final exams on this May. So in the meantime, I was encouraged by Miss Warren to make some law related videos to share my knowledge with all of you. So since now you all know about me, let's get into the video. First of all, I will give you a small introduction about Ronald Dworkins before we get into his theories. So Ronald Dworkin was an American jurist, legal theorist and a constitutional expert. He was professor of jurisprudence at the University of Oxford and the Yale Law School, succeeding H.L.A. Hart. In 2007, for his outstanding scholarly work, he was awarded the Holberg International Memorial Prize in the Humanities. He was also the second most cited American legal scholar of the 20th century. So, the theory of Ronald Dworkin was introduced as a jurisdiction. He doesn't actually focus on what is law or defining law like the other jurists we have seen before. He's focused solely on do courts really deliver justice? This is known as the rule of adjudication, which was created to serve justice to the people. As I previously mentioned, since Dworkin is having an American background, he set up an American standards to the UK legal system. But the UK legal system is actually based on black letter law and pre-enacted judicial review. Therefore, Dworkin's standards were very high, it was very hard to apply, and it wasn't practical in UK. There are three main standard natural rights that a person could have. The first is right to live. Second, right to liberty, which is also comes under right to privacy. Third is right to property. And there is an additional right that has been included by Ronald Dworkin, right to dignity. Ronald Dworkin believes that at the end of the day, everything is a result of protecting civil and fundamental rights. And no one can take away those rights unless there is a due justification. And this brings us to one of the most important theories that in this lesson, which is the right answer thesis. So this is a foundation for Dworkin's theory where he thinks specification and guarantee the rights of individuals are fundamental requirements. As I previously mentioned, Dworkin's work mainly focuses on taking rights seriously. So whenever we take rights seriously, it means we provide justice and fairness to the people. How? By providing good answers when they have a problem in front of the court of justice. So, the right answer thesis states that the law as properly interpreted will give an answer. And now you may ask, on what basis those answers are right? So, according to Dworkins, law can provide answers if it has been properly interpreted. Now you have to understand that this is not to say that everyone will have answers, or if they did, the answers would not be justified exactly the same for every person. Rather, it means that there will be necessary answers for each individual if they apply themselves correctly to the legal question, which means there are no objective right answers. So according to Dworkin's theory, there are right answers because judges are going to arrive their answers through their community experiences. And once those answers are qualified as law or rule, no one can remove or change them without any due justifications. These are also known as concrete rights. Now, in between the right thesis discussion, one may also follow Dworkins' theory of adjudication, which includes a discussion of stages of interpretation and ways of interpretation. Dworkins attributes all his judicial interpretation standard on a model judge called Judge Hercules, who is a mythical judge. He is just an imaginary judge with superhuman skills. So Hercules, as a model of perfect judge in deciding hard cases, begins by constructing a theory of law applicable in its best light. Hercules does not seek to apply the soundest theory of law, whether or not it is accepted by other judges, rather than a theory of law that is only accepted by his judges. Therefore, you can see that Dworkins actually had his own independent idea about in relation to adjudication. He doesn't want to belong to any traditional movement such as positivism, naturalism, or realism. I will further explain about the theory of adjudication, and under that, how can you interpret law in my next video. Therefore, I will end my lesson from here today. If you have any questions regarding the lesson today, please feel free to comment them down below in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Ms. Vanu Batugahage's YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
I hope you all enjoyed her video. If you like her video, please give a thumbs up. And it would be great if you can add a comment. It will definitely encourage Thanushka.